In this video we will explore the business of plantain chips in Africa. Let's go. What are plantain chips? Plantain chips are a popular snack made from thinly sliced and deep-fried plantains. They are crispy and savory, with a slightly sweet taste, and are enjoyed in many parts of the world, including Nigeria and Africa. The scientific name of plantains is Musa paradisiaca. Plantain chips are a great alternative to potato chips and are a good source of fiber and potassium. They can be seasoned with various spices and flavors, making them a versatile snack. Plantain chips are a popular product in the snack food industry, and their production and sales can be a profitable business opportunity. What is plantain chips production business in Nigeria and Africa about? Plantain chips production business involves the manufacturing of snacks made from ripe or unripe plantains. Plantain chips are one of the most popular snacks in Nigeria and Africa due to their crispy, crunchy, and delicious taste. They are usually consumed as an appetizer or side dish and can be served with a variety of dips and sauces. The plantain chips production process involves selecting the right plantain variety, washing, peeling, slicing, frying, seasoning, and packaging the chips for sale. The demand for plantain chips is high in Nigeria and Africa, with an increasing interest in healthy snacking options. Plantain chips are also exported to other countries, creating a significant opportunity for entrepreneurs in the plantain chips production business. Benefits of plantain chips production business in Nigeria and Africa. High demand. Plantain chips have a high demand in Nigeria and Africa, and the market is constantly expanding. As a result, the business has significant growth potential. Low startup cost. Starting a plantain chips production business does not require significant financial investment, making it a viable option for small-scale entrepreneurs. Source of employment. The business provides an avenue for job creation, as it requires labor at different stages of production. High profitability. The profit margin for plantain chips production business is high, especially for those who produce in large quantities. Long shelf life. Plantain chips have a relatively long shelf life, making them a viable option for exportation and long-distance transportation. Diverse market. Plantain chips appeal to a wide range of people, including children, adults, and the elderly, making it easy to penetrate different markets. Healthy snack. Plantain chips are a healthier snack option compared to other types of snacks, as they are made from natural ingredients. Easy to make. The production process for plantain chips is relatively simple and does not require any special skills or training. Sustainable business. Plantain chips production business can be a sustainable business venture, as it is a renewable resource. Export opportunities. The export market for plantain. How to start plantain chips production business in Nigeria and Africa, step-by-step guide. Conduct market research. Before starting a plantain chips production business in Nigeria and Africa, it's essential to conduct market research to determine the demand for the product, competition, target customers, and pricing strategies. Develop a business plan. A business plan will provide a detailed roadmap for starting and running the plantain chips production business. The plan should include a marketing strategy, financial projections, production methods, and distribution channels. Secure funding. Starting a plantain chips production business requires significant capital to cover expenses such as equipment, raw materials, labor, and overhead costs. You can secure funding from personal savings, bank loans, or investors. Register your business. Registering the plantain chips production business with the relevant government agency is necessary to operate legally. It's essential to obtain necessary licenses, permits, and certifications. Purchase equipment. To start a plantain chips production business, you will need to invest in equipment such as slicing machines, frying equipment, packaging machines, and other related equipment. Source raw materials. To produce quality plantain chips, it's important to source high-quality raw materials such as plantains, oil, and seasonings. Set up production facility. Set up a production facility in a suitable location with access to necessary utilities such as electricity, water, and ventilation. Hire and train employees. The plantain chips production business will require a team of skilled workers to operate the equipment and perform other tasks such as packaging and distribution. Train the employees to ensure they understand the production process and follow safety protocols. Produce plantain chips. Follow the production process, which involves peeling and slicing the plantains, frying, seasoning, and packaging. How to produce and package plantain chips in Nigeria or Africa. Select the right plantain. The first step in producing plantain chips is to select the right type of plantain. The best varieties of plantains for making chips are those that are mature but not overripe. Peel the plantains. After selecting the right plantains, the next step is to peel them. This can be done manually or with the help of a machine. The peels are then discarded. Slice the plantains. The plantains are then sliced thinly and uniformly, either manually or with the help of a slicer. Soak the plantain slices. The sliced plantains are then soaked in water with salt for a few minutes to prevent discoloration. Fry the plantain slices. The plantain slices are then fried in vegetable oil until they are crispy and golden brown. Season the plantain chips. The fried plantain chips can then be seasoned with various flavors such as salt, pepper, or spices. Package the plantain chips. The final step is to package the plantain chips. This can be done in various ways, including using plastic or paper bags, or in a branded container. Label the packaging. Ensure that the packaging is labeled properly with the product name, weight, expiry date, and ingredients. Develop a distribution strategy. To reach customers, you will need to develop a distribution strategy, which can involve selling directly to customers, using retailers, or partnering with wholesalers. How to sell or market plantain chips in Nigeria or Africa. Local markets. Plantain chips can be sold in local markets across Nigeria and Africa. Small vendors and retailers can purchase bulk quantities of the chips from manufacturers and sell them in their respective marketplaces. Online stores. With the growing popularity of e-commerce in Nigeria and Africa, online stores can provide a platform to sell plantain chips products. Manufacturers can create their online store or use established platforms like Jumia and Konga to sell their products. Supermarkets and grocery stores. Plantain chips products can be sold in supermarkets and grocery stores. The products can be displayed in aisles, and manufacturers can negotiate with store owners to ensure their products are given maximum exposure. Food vendors. Plantain chips products can be sold to food vendors who can include them in their menu. Vendors can sell them as snacks or side dishes, thereby promoting the product to a larger audience. Street vendors. Street vendors can also provide a viable platform for the sale of plantain chips products. Manufacturers can sell their products to vendors who will then sell them in high-traffic areas like bus stops and parks. Social media. Manufacturers can leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to promote their plantain chips products. They can showcase product images, recipes, and discounts to drive sales. Export. Plantain chips products can be exported to other African countries or internationally. Export can be done through agents, international trade fairs, or online platforms. Collaborations. Manufacturers can collaborate with other businesses or celebrities to promote their plantain chips products. Such collaborations can lead to increased brand exposure and sales. Festivals and events. Manufacturers can participate in festivals and events to sell their plantain chips products. They can also use such events to create brand awareness and promote their products. Sampling. Manufacturers can provide free samples of their plantain chips products to potential customers. This strategy can encourage customers to try the products and increase the chances of sales. Sampling can be done in malls, markets, and other high-traffic areas. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something from this video and it will inspire you to start your business.